Okay, i-voice over ko na lang kasi nawala yung audio. Oh no, okay. So basically, merong 3 steps yung pag-solve nun. So, una ay drawing. Next, so look for keywords and then solve for L or W. Okay, pag nagawa mo yung 3 steps, makuha mo na yung quadratic equation. Tingnan natin yung tanong. So, sabi dito, yung length L is equal to twice the width 1 meter less than twice the width. Okay, so gawin mo natin yung step 1. Drawing muna natin. So, ito, rectangle. Pangit pa ng drawing ko dyan. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, step 2 na to. Ay, hindi pa to step 2. Okay. Step 1. Drawing pa lang. So, una mong dapat gagawin lagi is si drawing. Drawing muna. Pati yung sulat ko, ang pangit. Okay. So, step 2 is look for keywords. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Hanap tayo ng keywords dito. Sabi, yung length daw is 1 meter less than twice the width. So, unahin natin yung twice bago natin yung 1 meter less. So, twice the width, ibig sabihin, 2 times width. Twice the width. So, times natin sa 2 yung width bago natin bawasan ng 1. Okay? Yun yung sabi. 1 meter less. So, minus 1. Ano yung minus 1 natin? Yung twice the width. So, 2W. So, length is equal to twice the width. One meter less than twice the width. So, twice the width minus 1. Okay, ayan na yun. Meron na tayong equation. Paano natin magagawa ang quadratic yan? Bigyan natin ng quadratic equation, di ba? Well, first, kailangan mong maalala yung formula ng area ng rectangle. Sabi sa problem, yung area daw is equal to 120. Okay, so area equals 120. And yung formula ng area ng triangle, ng rectangle, is length times width. And length is equal to yung area is equal to 120. So, ilalagay natin yan dyan. Yung length is equal to 2W minus 1. So, ilalagay natin yan dyan. And W, may iwan siya. So, 120 is equal to length times W, diba? And length is 2W minus 1. times pa natin sa W. And yan na yun. Quadratic equation na yan. Pero kailangan mo natin i-times sa W. So, i-distribute natin yung W sa 1 at sa 2W. So, 120 is equal to, ito na pala yung step 3. So, solve for L or W. So, 120 is equal, 2W times W is equal to 2W squared. 1 times W is equal to W. And meron ng squared, so quadratic equation na to. 2W squared. Quadratic equation na yan. Kailangan mo i-transpose mo na yung 120 para maging standard form. So, sasubtract lang natin yung 120 from both sides. 120 minus 120 is equal to 0. And 0 equals 2W squared minus W minus 120. So, ito na yung standard form ng quadratic equation. Okay. Next na gagawin, diba, is solve yung quadratic equation. Solve for the roots. So, paano ba yan i-solve? Diba dati may sinend ako sa'yo na video, yung quadratic equations video. Yung pang-apat, dun sa playlist, yung pang-apat, nandun yun, kung paano i-solve yan. So, i-overview na lang natin ng mabilis. Una, kunin mo yung A, which is yung first term, is A equals 2. Kailangan mo rin yung B and C. So, yung B is yung second term. Kapag walang nakalagay dyan, pero merong variable, 1 lang yan. So, minus 1. And then, C is equal to negative 120. Yun yung third term. C is the third term. Okay. So, kapag nakuha mo na yung A, B, and C, pwede mo na gamitin yung quadratic formula. Okay. Nakuha mo na A, B, and C. Quadratic formula. Gamitin mo na. So, ito yung quadratic formula. Kailangan mo lang ilagay itong A dito sa mga merong A. Okay, dito sa 2A and 4AC. Yung B, ilagay mo sa mga B. Dito sa minus B at sa B squared. And yung C, ganun din. Ilalagay mo sa dyan. Tapos, pwede mo na yun i-calculator na lang or i-solve sa papel. Pero pag ginawa mo na yun, makuha mo na yung roots. Dalawa yung magiging sagot mo kasi yung dalawang beses mo isusulat yung formula. Yung isa plus, yung isa minus. Kaya magiging dalawang yung sagot mo. Tapos yun na yung roots nun. Okay? Kung nakalimutan mo na kung paano, pwede mo na balikan yung isang video. Yung part dun. Okay, goodbye.